year, there is a frenzy of activity leading up to Christmas, including rushing to purchase presents for loved ones and finding the perfect tree. Another big one is selecting what to generously load onto the dinner plate, which can certainly cause some anxiety. But set your worries aside and join us for a yard-style Christmas meal. Of course, this would be incomplete without Jamaica's favorite meat, chicken. Baked, fried, or roasted, chicken is almost always on the Christmas menu. So, we went to one of our local kitchens to get the recipe for some tantalizing classics you might want to prepare for the holiday season.
Welcome to Jazz U Villa, located at Richmond Estate, St. Anne. Come and enjoy a little taste of our Christmas.
Roast is a staple on holiday tables in Jamaica. A large piece of meat or poultry, beef, pork, or chicken dripping with the spicy, fragrant spices for which our cuisine is famed has a really joyous feel to it. The secret to creating the most incredible flavors, as displayed here, is utilizing only fresh herbs and freshly ground spices.
So we have our sweet corn here, we have our cucumber, carrot, and Irish we're going to use for our stuffing, pair with some fresh herbs as well to infuse the flavor. Here we go, we have our liquid marinade to add to our chicken. So put on our gloves because pepper is very, very spicy. So I'm gonna go ahead and pin the wings. This is ready, so let's put this aside and make our stuffing to go inside our bird here. So here we are cutting our vegetables in some cubes to do our stuffing of our chicken here. So we're doing the potatoes skin on. Okay, so remove the gut from the cucumber here. We'll be adding some sweet corn to our veggies here. Pinch of salt, some fresh parsley. So we're going to use our cord to tie the legs to keep it intact so all the veggies are cooked properly. And for the remainder of the vegetables, we just want to add it right around our bowl here to enhance that whole Christmas look, that ambiance. So we're going to put this in our oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it cook for 2 hours to get that golden look on our chicken. So our potatoes washed and clean, ready to go. So these potatoes should be ready in the next 10 minutes time. We're going to go ahead and do our steamed vegetable. In the meanwhile, the potatoes are cooking. So we have some string bean, we have our carrots, broccoli and cauliflower here. So we're basically preparing our vegetables to get ready for our steaming. I'm ready to stir fry our veg. Meanwhile, waiting on our chicken to be ready.
Adding vegetables to the dinner plate is one approach to make sure we stay healthy throughout the season. You have now had a taste of the Jackson's family meal, complete with mouth-watering seasoning blends that will make the holiday season a genuinely belly-fulfilling experience that you can also have at your own table.